Hey fam, picture your back and shoulders like a coiled spring, tight, wound up, holding layers of tension. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to unwind that spring, release the tightness, and open up space for ease and movement. This routine is all about releasing the back and shoulder tension, perfect for any time you need a quick reset. You don't need anything but a mat or soft surface. We'll focus on deep stretches, each lasting a minute, designed to unravel tension from your shoulders to your spine. By the end, you'll feel looser, refreshed, and ready to move with ease. Let's start in child's pose. Knees wide, big toes touching, and let your hips sink back towards your heels. Imagine grounding down, like roots extending into the earth, stabilizing and realizing all at once. Extend your arms forward and let your forehead rest gently on the mat. Take a deep inhale, feeling your lower back expand. As you exhale, let the tension begin to melt away. This is your reset, a moment of calm before we unravel the tightness that's held you back. Breathe fully here, feeling each exhale soften the back and shoulders as we prepare to release even deeper. Come onto all fours, keeping your core stable. Slide your right arm under your left, lowering your right shoulder and ear onto the mat for thread the needle. Picture yourself wringing out a towel. Each twist releases tightness through your shoulder blades and upper back. Hold here, breathing deeply. With every exhale, sink a little deeper into the twist, letting layers of tension unwind. Feel the stretch open up space in your back, inviting release with each breath. Let your breath guide the stretch, feeling the twist reach further as we approach the other side. Switch sides, sliding your left arm under your right, lowering your left shoulder and ear to the mat. Breathe into the twist, feeling a gentle release from your shoulder down your spine. Each breath creates space, loosening tension that's built up from hours of sitting or hunching over. Visualize each knot along your upper back slowly unraveling, creating ease in your shoulders, neck, and upper spine. Take one more breath, allowing the release to settle fully as we rise up for the next move. Now, come to standing with feet hip-width apart. Hinge forward at the waist, letting your arms dangle toward the floor. Begin rolling your shoulders in big, deliberate circles. First backward, then forward. Imagine rusted gears starting to move smoothly again. Each roll loosening any stiffness in your shoulders. Let the movement feel natural. Each circle releasing more tension until your shoulders begin to feel lighter and more fluid. One more deep shoulder roll here, feeling the shoulders open, preparing for our last movement. From that same bent over position, interlace your fingers behind your back. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, lift your arms up toward the sky, opening your chest wide. Feeling the stretch ripple across your chest and shoulders. breathing space into every tight muscle. Hold here, each breath deepening the stretch. Imagine your chest opening like a door, releasing all the tightness stored in your upper body. Every inhale and exhale takes you deeper into the release, creating freedom across your shoulders and chest. One last deep breath, letting that openness settle into your body as we finish. Great job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've unlocked space and freedom in your back and shoulders, giving yourself room to breathe and move with ease. Now, fam, if you enjoyed this, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications on for daily stretching videos. We'll keep this feeling going together. If you're ready for more, check out this video that I picked out for you. Let's go.